Hello everyone, welcome to Technically Sane. In this video, we are going to see how to bind the JSON response or the API response that we are getting to bind that data directly to the UI. So I'm going to discuss that using the this new scenario called IPL's point table. So this is a season of IPL going on. So I have created this JSON response using the IPL's point table. For this I have referred this data from Times of India website, and I have created this IPL point table, and I have created a JSON response of it. So there are 8 teams, so there will be 8 JSON objects binded into one JSON array, which is given to a result key, which is a part of another JSON object. So this is a basic response, and there are various keys in it, like team name is there, so Delhi Capital is at top. It has played how many matches, so it has played 2 matches, it has won 2 matches, it has lost 0. Similarly, second team will be Kings 11 Punjab. It has played 2 matches, won 1, lost 1. So it is like a JSON object, and it is a JSON array. So let's say there are 8 JSON objects, and it is the array of JSON objects. So this is a basic response, and I have validated that JSON response in JSON lint. So we have discussed this tool earlier, and I have validated it, and it's a validated JSON. Further, I have created a mock API using the mockable.io. So in this I have created an API called IPL point table, and I have given the same response here, and I have saved that API. So this is the API that I have got. Okay, it is giving me the response that I have discussed earlier. It is a result, and then there is a JSON array of 8 JSON objects. Now what I will be doing is I will be consuming this API called IPL points table into my into C#. I will be using a grid view to make a table of IPL points table. So what I will be doing is, like, I will be creating one grid view, and I have given its ID as point list and run at server. So it will be running at server side, and there are 4 columns being added, which will be having a data field which is similar to the JSON key. So it is team name, so similarly data field will be team name. And also, let's say it is data field is played, so the key is played, so those keys can directly be mapped here. So let's go to the C# code. What I have created is a team model, and it will be having a team name same to the value of key. Then there is a played object, then there is a won, then there is a lost, and as we know, it's a list of team objects. There is a JSON array is there, so JSON array is a list of JSON objects, so list of team is there. Okay, now I have taken a base URL of that particular API. So base URL is demo7531 and mockable.io. So I have given that base URL here, and it is returning my data in the form of JSON. So I am calling the data in the form of JSON, and then I am doing a get service is being called. So I am doing download string, and this API IPL points table is being called, and it is being mapped to points table response. Okay, and it is then directly binded to the points table. So this is a basic code that I have written to bind the this particular points table data to a grid view using C#. So let's run this code. So I am getting a points table response on pointable.aspx. ASPX is a full form like an extension for C# files. So basically we have consumed that API into our UI, that is C# UI, that is grid view, and we have used that particular mockable API into our project. So this is a basic demo project. I will be uploading this code on my GitHub also, so you can go through it. I will be giving the link in the description section. So that's it for today. Thank you.